Hi, and welcome to ELEM 325, Integrating the Arts. My name is Michelle. I am going to be your instructor for this class. I thought I would just make a quick video so you would know where to get started this week since we don't meet until Thursday. So here I am right now at our module front page on our class. If you've gone into Canvas, you click on our class, it will take you right to the screen that you see here. Obviously you've done that because that's how you got to this video. You clicked on the Welcome Start Here tab. Once you've done that and you've watched this video, you'll be ready to go down here to where our syllabus is. You may download this and just use it on a tablet or your laptop device, or you can print it out. The schedule is in there for the reading and some of our major projects, but most of it is pretty tentative because I'm just never sure what we're going to get done each week in different classes. So we'll talk about that on Thursday as well. So take a look at the syllabus. It will tell you how to reach me. And then also please do this learning styles inventory before class on Thursday so we can discuss it a little bit. The rest of the items here we'll publish later after we talk about them and do some activities in class. The textbook for this quarter looks like this. It's just a little paperback. So if you get a hold of that before Thursday, that would be great. If not, you'll need it by the next Thursday for sure because the first chapter of reading has to get done. In addition to your textbook, I also need you to bring some sort of sketchbook. So I've got a couple of samples here. This is a great big one. You can see it's like a lot of space. This belongs to my son. You can go big like this with a sketchbook, or you can go kind of a little more compact like this one. This is from Hobby Lobby. This one with the baseball guy on front, this brand, they're almost always really affordable at Hobby Lobby. Kind of depends on your style. Do you want kind of small, more detailed, big room to like spread out? But most important is that it's spiral. Do you see the spirals on the end of these? You don't want a sketchbook where you're tearing the pages out just like a drawing paper. You want something that's spiral down so it'll hold together. So we're going to use this all quarter. Each week you're going to do 2 or 3 pages about your chapter. So you're going to need, like a regular at least 30, 40 pages. I think they're almost always 50, so that should be fine. Should not cost very much. Anyways, find those. And then most students in the art class find it helpful to bring like a pencil pouch or box full of like colored pencils or fun markers or just colorful creative materials. We might need it a little bit on Thursday depending on how far we get. So if you have some of that stuff gathered up already, that would be great. This is not an art class for those of you who are not artists, as in I'm not going to teach you to do art and I'm not going to grade your artwork. So I hope that sets your mind at ease if you don't feel like you are an artist. I'm not going to make you sing any songs or get graded on what you can draw. So you can just let that stress go. This is about integrating art into the curriculum in the elementary school. So we're going to talk about art from a teacher standpoint. And it's really quite fun. I hope this is your most fun class this quarter. I have taught this class multiple times with multiple textbooks. This one's going to be great, I think. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to pop in and say, hey, I don't have an office in Wenatchee aside from my house. As you can see back here, I'm in my bedroom where my office is. I work full-time at Big Bend in Moses Lake teaching education classes down there, but some of you know me maybe from last year when I was at Central full-time. So my office is no longer there, as you probably know already. You can email me, michelle.reeves, 1L in Michelle, at cwu.edu, or you can inbox me from Canvas. Try to reach me that way if you need. Hopefully, though, you're ready just to get started on Thursday. Do that learning styles inventory, get your sketchbook. That's it. This is going to be your fun class this quarter, I promise. Okay, we'll see you Thursday. Bye-bye.